Welcome to this video, where we'll explore a common error that many of us have encountered while working with Google Sheets. TypeError cannot read properties of undefined reading length. If you've ever received this error message, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what's causing this error and how to fix it. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that allows us to work with data in various ways. However, when we're working with scripts or formulas that interact with our sheet, errors can occur. This particular error message is often related to how we're trying to access or manipulate data within our sheet. In this video, we'll break down what's happening behind the scenes and provide a clear explanation of how to resolve this issue. So let's dive into the details. The error message TypeError cannot read properties of undefined reading length typically occurs when we're trying to access a property or method that doesn't exist for an object. In the context of Google Sheets, this often happens when we're working with arrays or ranges of cells. Imagine you have a script that's designed to loop through a range of cells in your sheet and perform some operation on each cell. However, if the range is empty or undefined, your script will throw this error when it tries to access the length property of the array. To illustrate this further, let's consider an example. Suppose you have a function that takes a range as input and then tries to loop through each row in that range. If the range is not properly defined, or if it's empty, your script will encounter this error. The key here is to understand that the error message is telling us that we're trying to access a property, in this case, length, of something that doesn't exist or is undefined. To fix this issue, we need to ensure that our range or array is properly defined and populated before trying to access its properties. One common solution is to add checks in your script to verify if the range or array exists and has data before trying to loop through it. This can be done using conditional statements that check for null or undefined values. Another approach is to ensure that your range references are accurate and correctly defined within your script. This includes verifying that your sheet name, column letters, and row numbers are all correct. So, what should you take away from this discussion? Here are the key points. 1. The error TypeError cannot read properties of undefined reading length occurs when we try to access a property or method that doesn't exist for an object. 2. In Google Sheets, this often happens when working with arrays or ranges of cells that are empty or undefined. 3. To fix the issue, ensure your range or array is properly defined and populated before accessing its properties. 4. Use conditional statements to check for null or undefined values in your script. That's it for today's video on resolving the TypeError cannot read properties of undefined reading length error in Google Sheets. By now, you should have a clear understanding of what causes this issue and how to address it in your script. If you found this explanation helpful, or if you have any further questions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on Google Sheets and related topics. Your engagement helps us create more informative and useful videos for our community. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to your feedback.